So we hope you all are doing absolutely good
and are in great mental health.
So in today's video we are going to do a DMart haul. So as you can see, we have got bunch of t-shirts, and like to be precise, we have shopped this from men's section because we wanted a baggy comfortable t-shirts. Okay, so guys, to let you know, we went to DMart, which is in Powai, Hiranandani, correct? Yes, so there was so much of options to choose from, and there were so good t-shirts starting from 99 to 200, 250, 300. Like those are so affordable and with good quality also. And also, like if you know DMart also like it is known for its price, like affordable price ranges.
As you guys already know, DMart में सब कुछ मिलता है, as in the groceries to the ration and also the clothing section, also sportswear, सब कुछ you name it and you get it in any DMart, and not specifically in Hiranandani you will get this, you will get it in all the outlets. So जो भी आपको पास मिलता है, you can check it out, and I assure कि वहाँ पे ऐसे अच्छे graphic t-shirts आपको मिल जाएंगे. But this is in men's section. Please you remember that कि हम लोग ने women section से नहीं किया.
क्योंकि I don't think कि women section में कुछ graphic था. It was just so girly and like straight fit वाला tees, and which we didn't want it. So yeah, I think without any further ado, let's
get
started. So I think first let's start from what we are wearing. As you can see, so I've got this tee in the size large, and
I have got this tee in the size medium. So yeah, you can see this is a little bit loose, and I wanted something that fits like this. As you guys already know, that the trend is going on, keep baggy, loose t-shirt and then the baggy jeans. So
yeah.
So the main reason why we got this tee is the graphic of this tee.
Yes.
Because also it is written sunset over here, and as you guys already know, we love sunset and beaches.
Yes.
So
yeah, and like it totally fits into our vibe.
Yes.
And this tee was for 99 rupees only.
Yes.
So yeah. So moving on.
And now moving on to the second tee that we have similar is this white tee.
Yeah. So
and this also has some beach.
Yes, beachy vibes. Yeah, vibes going on.
Yes.
So yeah, we wanted like something in basics also, like which would go on like blue baggy jeans or black jeans. So like this would go so good, and also we can tie a knot or we can tuck it in. So,
it's up on how you style it and how it looks. And I like the print because यहाँ पे ऊपर blue and नीचे it's pink and red. So I like the graphic also.
And also this is in the same sizes we got, and we almost have got all like baggy tees only, because I think this tees, like for this tee you don't have to put any efforts, you just have to throw it on and it looks good. So next, moving on, this army green tee. So actually I got this for my brother, to be honest, but yeah, I'm going to wear it any which ways. So yeah, as you can see, and the material of this is also like okayish, not too good I would say, but for the price range, as is it for 100 rupees, and it's good.
Yes. Okay, now moving on. So this was also for rupees 100, and this is in the size large, and as you can see, this is a grey tee.
But not really grey, but not also black. I like the color of this tee.
I think this is the darkest shade of grey, and also I like the graphic, and we wanted such tees for very long, and Bandra mein we searched for such graphic tees, but it was for 200 to 50 rupees, and this quality is very good. So this was a little unique piece, and this tee has a graphic of music on it, so I think live music, something like that. So this was a music vibe, something like that, so I liked it and I bought it.
Okay, so moving forward, so this is my favorite tee from all the t-shirts I got. So starting with, it is again, so this is in black color as you can see, and again I like the graphic vibe, so that was a little vintagey because as it is black and white tee, and also this orange complements the black color. So yeah, and I think this was for rupees 200 if I'm not wrong. Yeah, this was for 199, and I'm in the size medium for this.
Okay, so moving on to the last tee I bought is in grey color and it's written Finland over it. I just like the basic tee.
Yeah, correct. I think in teas, like these are very basic colors we get. That is grey, black, and white. I think that are the basic. We didn't even had these. Can you
Yeah.
believe? Because we were so into tops and like fashionable. What do you say? Off shoulders,
Yeah,
cold
we
shoulders.
missed out to the basic things.
Yeah, and now we need a basic bag. So yeah, that's that.
Yeah, and this was also for just ₹99.
Yes. So the last tee from my side is this. So this is in the size small. So I wanted to get little something in perfect fit. So I thought size S would be good because it would go on baggy jeans, right?
Yeah.
Because फिर वो baggy t-shirt also looks good on baggy jeans. But still I wanted to give it a try, and I fell for this like mustard color, which is so unique, and I didn't have anything like this in my wardrobe. So yeah, that's that. And it was again for ₹99.
And moving forwards, we are done with the clothing haul. But while exploring, I also got one thing, that is a metal bottle, and
Yes.
mostly I like the color of
Yes,
this.
and there were many more colors. So she got it in rose gold color, as you can see already. But there were so many green, blues, and it was so beautiful. And it was just for rupees
200.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
also it is a 1 liter bottle. So and I don't think you will get a metal bottle this cheap, and the
Yes.
quality is also very good. So yeah, that was it.
Okay, so guys, this was all it for this video.
We hope you liked it.
And you found helpful. And if you visit DMart and you got some of these, please, and don't forget to tag us on our Instagram.
And also the link will be in the description box below. And comment down below which t-shirt did you like the most.
Yes, and I think we should call it a day.
Yes.
So guys, if you like this video, do like,
Share.
and subscribe to our channel
Unicorn Diaries, and also don't forget to turn on that bell notification so you will get notified every time we upload a new video.
And also guys, do check out our Instagram. The link will be in the description box below. And yeah, until then,
Stay humble
work hard
and
be kind.
Bye guys.
Skies unpaid.